Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 14th of January, 2023. Let's talk about SOFI today because I did a video in SOFI on the 10th, and I told everyone on that particular video that I wasn't going to drop a price prediction. I wanted us to see whether or not price in SOFI was going to break $5 or like $4.90. You guys can see that it did it on the 11th. It maintained price on the 12th, and we even saw price strength on the 13th. So we already got an idea as to who's controlling the market in SOFI. So we need to talk about this because we got more information that we didn't have before when I did a video on January the 10th. So let's break this down real quick. So we are going to anticipate, first of all, price in SOFI going up because it achieved some massive feats over the last couple of days. For one, it broke resistance at $4.90. Okay. For two, we are still seeing the price trend higher. So I'm here to tell you right now, you're going to see so many people on YouTube, once these stocks continue to trend higher and they begin to go higher and higher, you're going to start to see more videos pumping these stocks again. Once the price in SOFI, for example, came from $22 all the way down to $5, those videos stopped. So you're going to begin to see all the hype begin to come back into these stocks, and they're going to try to push you back into these positions. And when they do, that might be a glaring sign that you might want to sell. I'm just saying. Now let's talk about this on the 2-day chart in SOFI, because the name of the game is to already be in position and wait till the herd comes in so that you can actually sell your stock to them. Where is all of the so-called financial gurus on YouTube explaining to you that this is the opportunity now to come in? Now, how high do you think price is going to go? Because obviously we're in an uptrend. So we're not playing the weakness into the market in SOFI right now. We're going to anticipate price is still bullish and that the market is going to continue to go up. Okay. Now, are we massively bullish? Like, are we going to look for the price around the $20? No, I'm here to tell you that right now. Don't expect SOFI to run to 20 yet. We're going to have to stair step our way up because there's been some resistance areas established in SOFI that the buyers will have to take out. That's going to take some time. It is not just going to shoot up to $20, $15 in 1 week. So let's talk about this. I can see right here that this is already resistance. That is why the market topped out on Friday at $5.45, because we got examples, we got history back here that shows us that this area was once acting as support, meaning that buyers were there back in June of last year buying up SOFI because people were telling that this is a great opportunity to buy it. And it was, because the market ran up to $8.40. But then soon after, we saw price collapse below it. So now this is resistance. Okay. So when we see price come to resistance areas, we need to think about probable chances of it breaking it. Right. So looking at these two 3-day price bars right here, this one and then this one, what is the chance that price in SOFI is going to break $5.45 and go up? Just by looking at these 2-3-day price bars, do you think the chances are high or do you think the chances are low? To me, I think the chances are high. So I'm not going to think about price in SOFI getting rejected right here, $5.45. I need to think of the next area. Can you see where the next area is into the market in SOFI that it could possibly see rejection? It's right here, $5.75. So that's going to be our first price target, $5.75. Okay. Now let's see this on the 5-day chart then. Look how wide that 5-day price bar is. Do you think price is going to be able to break $5.75? Because if so, then you might need to drop another price target higher above $5.75. That's a very healthy price bar right there. Let's see how we rounded out the week. What do you think about this weekly price bar? It kind of looks identical to the 5-day. Would you agree? Yes. So my second price target will be around 6. Because I think the spread of this weekly price bar here in SOFI kind of tells us that it wouldn't be out the norm for us to not see price run to 6. That's 2 price targets. Okay. Look at this on the 2 weeks chart. This 1-2 weekly price bar has taken out all of the opens and close all the way from this following 2 weeks, which is in September. This one spread has taken out the open and close in SOFI right here. Okay, so we want to see price going forward. We want to see price hold, I would say $5.25 on any weakness. Okay. So now, let's go ahead and drop the price prediction to SOFI. I have garnered 2 price targets. Okay, so let me go ahead and clean this chart up because I am not about confusion on my charts. So let's go ahead and do this. We're going to look for price in SOFI to continue to trend higher. Okay, we're going to hold right here as support $4.80, meaning that as long as price in SOFI continues to hold $4.40, price doesn't trade below it on weakness, we're going to anticipate that the market opportunity is still to the upside. The greatest movement probabilistic wise is for price to go up. Okay, that first price target that you guys remember was around like $5.75. You guys can see that it's 5 and almost 3/4, 5.7% movement higher. The second price target is going to be around 6, which is around 10 1/4. Just that simple. Now we just simply need to sit back, let the market continue to confirm the strength, and we already know that we are in position. So if we start out next week, okay, and price comes all the way down. So let's say that we get this. Price comes all the way back down, but the buyers come in and hold the trend, then we know that the market strength is still in place. We got earnings coming up ending of this month, so we got 15 days. Expect some volatility to occur in the market in SOFI, either occurring or after. Now that gives me concern though, because we've seen the price in SOFI take the low of December 28th all the way to the high of Friday. It's already ran 30% already. The closer that we get to the market earnings in SOFI and we continue to see this market go up, you might want to expect the price is going to begin to go down because they're going to sell the news on that, because we've already seen a great run. Okay, so we don't have that much time to let this play out. I'm just saying, that's what I'm thinking. Now I want to know, what do you think? Give me your price prediction, your price target in the market in SOFI. We're going to play some strength into the market because the charts don't lie. It's showing us that the buyers are currently moving the markets and not the sellers. So we're just going to see how high will the buyers take it. That's it. Now give me your thoughts. Join the team to those who are new, because you guys will begin to learn a lot from my videos and my content. I want to show you that it doesn't have to be complicated. You don't have to use technical analysis. You don't have to listen to earnings calls. You don't have to DCF a cost and pricing model. You just simply look at the money. You look at what people are doing, and you see that on the price chart. Like, you cannot lie what you see on the charts. It is what it is. Tell me, what do you think? Join the team, like the video, and also tap that bell notification as well, because I don't want you all to miss out on my videos or my content, because we are ahead of the game. We're predicting. Yeah, we're forecasting where we suspect price is going to go before anyone else even contemplate these things, because they say that you can't do it. But I'm here on this platform giving you all proof day in and day out, showing on a plethora of markets that you can predict prices. And it doesn't have to be complicated.